In today's video, I will walk you through how to import a theme file on Shopify. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Before starting the import process, make sure the theme file is already downloaded onto your computer. Shopify normally accepts theme files in a zip format, so it helps to confirm the file is easy to locate before beginning the upload process. To get started, sign in to your Shopify account through the official Shopify platform. Once the Shopify Admin dashboard loads, you will see the main control panel where all store management tools are organized. Along the left side of the screen, Shopify displays sections for products, customers, analytics, apps, orders, and storefront settings. For this process, look toward the left menu and locate the option labeled Online Store. This section contains the customization tools for your storefront, including themes, navigation settings, pages, and appearance controls. After selecting Online Store, the Themes area should open automatically. Inside the Themes section, Shopify displays your current active theme near the top of the page. Underneath that, you will also see the Theme Library area. This section stores additional themes connected to your account, including backup themes, unpublished themes, and imported themes that can later be customized or activated. If you scroll through the page, Shopify may also show options for browsing free themes or exploring premium professionally designed themes available through the platform. Since this tutorial focuses on importing a theme file manually, move back toward the top section where the Import Theme option appears. After selecting Import Theme, Shopify will open the Upload window, where you can choose the zip file saved on your computer. At this stage, Shopify may also mention the upload size limit for theme files. Based on the process shown here, the theme file should remain under 50 megabytes in size to upload correctly. Continue by selecting the Upload option. Your computer file browser will then appear, allowing you to locate the downloaded zip theme file. Once you find the correct file, select it and continue with the upload process. Shopify will then begin importing the theme into your account. Depending on the file size and connection speed, this may take a short moment to finish. After the upload is complete, the imported theme will appear inside your Shopify theme library, where it can later be customized, previewed, or published, whenever you are ready. And that is the complete process for importing a theme file on Shopify. Thank you for watching.